Welcome to Math FD channel. In this class I am explaining about equation of tangent and normal. See the problem. If the slope of the tangent to the curve x square minus 2x plus 4y equals to 0, that is the curve. At a point on it, that means on curve is minus 3 by 2. So slope is minus 3 by 2. Which type of slope? This one. Tangent, slope of tangent on the curve at a point is this one, minus 3 by 2. Then find the equations of tangent and normal at that point. Okay? Please observe carefully. Given curve is this one, x square minus 2x plus 4y equals 0. And the slope of the tangent is minus 3 by 2. We want equations of tangent and normal. Okay. Now, at a point, which point? Point is xy. Consider as xy on that curve. Okay. Given curve is x square minus 2xy plus 4y equals to 0. This is the curve. Now, slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent equals to m equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay, this is a slope. So this data is there in the problem. Okay, now differentiate this. This is number 1. Differentiating one with respect to x, we get, see here, x square minus 2xy plus 4y equals to 0. 2x minus 2 into x divided by dx plus y. Why? Because x divided by x, y divided by x of x means 1. So this is u formula here. 4 divided by dx equals to 0. Now 2x minus 2x divided by dx minus 2y plus 4 divided by dx equals to 0. See here, 2 common, x minus y minus 2 divided by dx common between these two. Which remains x minus 2. Okay, so 2 common here, x remains. Here 2 divided is common, 2 remains. Okay. Now this equals to 2 x minus y equals to, which goes to right side, plus 2 into divided by dx into x minus 2. 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, divided by dx equals to x minus y divided by x minus 2. That's all. This is number 2. This is the slope. Okay. Now by the problem, slope equals to minus 3 by 2. Yes. By the problem, slope equals to minus 3 by 2. Therefore, x minus y by x minus 2 equals to minus 3 by 2. That implies 2 into x minus y equals to minus 3 into x minus 2. Okay? 2x minus 2y plus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. This comes to left side. Now see here, minus 2y equals to 2x goes to right side, minus 3x plus 6 minus 2x, that's equals to minus 5x plus 6 minus 2y. 2y equals to 5x minus 6, symbol changes. Okay, symbol changes here, minus goes to plus, minus plus, plus minus. Okay, this is number 3. Now I will substitute this value in 1. Okay, because the slope is at a point is xy. P of xy is a point on 1. That is what is the, this is the curve. P is a point, that is xy on the curve. P of xy is a point on curve. Therefore, x square minus x 2y, in the place of y, you can substitute 5x minus 6 plus 2 common, 2y means this one, 5x minus 6 equals to 0. By this, x square minus 5x square plus 6 plus 10x minus 12 equals to 0. Minus 4x square plus 16x minus 12 equals to 0. I will divide throughout the equation by minus 4. Means x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. That is number 4. Now factorize this. X square minus 3x minus x plus 3 equals to 0. X into x minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 3 equals to 0. You know about factorization. If any doubt, you will have any doubt, see my past videos. X minus 3 into x minus 1, 0. That implies x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. Okay? Minus goes to right side, that is plus 3. Minus 1 goes to right side, that is plus 1. Okay? 1 or 3. 1 and 3. Okay. Case 1. If x equal to 1, x equal to 1, substituting in 1, we get x square minus 2xy plus 4y equals to 0. X square means 1 square minus 2 into 1 into y plus 4y equals to 0. Now 2y minus 2y plus 4y equals to 1 goes to right side, that is minus 1. That means plus 2y, you know, plus 2y equals to minus 1. Y equals to minus half. Therefore, required point is x is 1, y is minus half. Okay? Now, this is a point, minus 3 by the slope. What is the equation of tangent? 5 minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. That's all. Equation of the tangent is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. What is y1 minus half equals to, what is m? You know, m is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. X minus x1 means 1. Okay? Now simplify this. Y plus half equals to minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 x plus 3 by 2. Okay? So, y plus half plus 3 by 2 x minus 3 by 2 x, because this comes to left side. Okay. Now What is LCM? 2. 2y plus 3x plus 1 minus 3 equals to 0. Now 3x plus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. That is the equation of the tangent. Okay. This is number 5. This is the equation of the tangent. Therefore, equation of the tangent is 3x plus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. This is the required tangent equation. Now we want normal. Equation of tangent 3x plus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. Equation of normal is 2x minus 3y plus k equals to 0. You know this? Yes? Perpendicular equation or normal equation. Both are same. This is number 6. 6 is passing through which point? 1 minus 1 2. Therefore, 2 into x means 1 minus 3 into y means minus of plus k equals to 0. 2 minus to minus plus 3 by 2 plus k equals to 0. 4 plus 3 plus 2k equals to 0. Now this implies 2k equals to minus 7. Yes, 7 goes to right side. That means k equals to minus 7 by 2. Now substitute the value in this equation. Therefore, equation of normal is 2x minus 3y plus k means plus 7 by 2 equals to 0. Now LCM 4x minus 6y minus 7 equals to 0. This is number 7. This is required normal equation. Okay. In case 1. Now we want case 2. Case 2. What is case 2? If x equals to 3. Yes. Curve equation. Substituting in 1 we get what is 1? X square minus 2xy plus 4y equals to 0. Yes, this curve equation. Now 3 square minus 2 into 3 into y plus 4y equals to 0. This implies 9 minus 6y plus 4y equals to 0. Minus 6y plus 4y. 9 minus 2y equals to 0. That implies y equals to 9 by 2. Y equals to 9 by 2. Therefore, required point is x is 3, y is 9 by 2. Okay? Now tangent equation. Therefore, equation of tangent is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 means 9 by 2. M means minus 3 by 2. X minus x1 means 3. Simplify this. Y minus 9 by 2 equals to minus 3 by 2 x plus 9 by 2. Yes, bring on one side. That implies minus 3 by 2 x plus 9 by 2. Let's go to right side. That is minus y. This comes to plus 9 by 2 equals to 0. What is LCM? 2 is LCM. Minus 3x plus 9 minus 2y plus 9 equals to 0. that implies minus 3x minus 2y plus 18 equals to 0. Therefore, equation of the tangent is 3x plus 2y minus 18 equals to 0. Okay, this is the required tangent equation. This is number 7. We want normal. Equation of the normal is, see there, 2x minus 3y plus k equals to 0. You know that perpendicular equation. Already I told in last videos. So, this is number 8. 8 is passing through which point? 3, 9 by 2. Therefore, 2 into 3 minus 3 into 9 by 2 plus k equals to 0. 6 minus 27 by 2 plus k equals to 0. Now LCM. 12 minus 27 plus 2k equals to 0. That implies minus 15 plus 2k equals to 0. That implies k equals to 15 by 2. Yes. Therefore, equation of the normal is 2x minus 3y plus k means 15 by 2 equals to 0. Now this implies 4x minus 6y plus 15 equals to 0. This is the required normal equation. Okay. Therefore, equation of the normal is this one, 4x minus 6y plus 15 equals to 0. In this way, you can find the equation of tangent and equation of normal. Here we will have two cases, because the x will have two values. That is why two tangents and two normals are there for this problem. Okay guys, practice this problem. This is very important for long answers. So practice this. Practice makes perfect in mathematics. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.